My brother, my son. He's my brother and my son.
I'm the youngest brother.
Youngest brother.
That's my son.
There you go.
Jonathan.
Yeah, I tried to get away with that too.
No, it's
Ever since the days of old, when such we left untold, they take the silver and the gold, and leave the empty hole. And went south in the Everglades, where the black water rolls and the sawgrass grows. The eagles fly and the owls play in the land of the Seminole. Blow, blow, Seminole wind, blow, I never blow again. Calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know you are. So blow, blow from the Okeechobee, all the way up to Micanopy, across the land of the Seminole, the alligator and the dog. Progress came and took its toll, and in the name of flood control, they made the plans and they drained the land. Now the glades are going around. Last time I walked in a swamp, I sat along the cypress stump, listened close and I heard the ghost of Osceola cry. So go, Seminole wind, you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know you are. Blow from the Okeechobee, all the way out to Micanopy, across the land of the Seminole.